Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another tutorial. Um, I want to say sorry if I can't help everybody with their issues. I am not the one who made the script. I can only help troubleshoot it like you all, just one step at a time kind of thing. I can do my best to help out, but that's about all I can do. Now, on to what this video is about. I have had people asking how you can pull just the likes from Tumblr or just the original posts, and also how to pull videos and audio from posts because the initial way does not do that. The first two are relatively easy. Uh, the last one, you do have to do some extra steps and install a module via Python. However, we will get to that later. Now, in order to do just the likes, there is an error that can come up for some people, myself included. We're going to go ahead, uh, get it all set up as if you were going to do the normal backup. You're going to go ahead, Tumblr underscore backup dot py, and then here, what you're going to do is dash dash likes, and then your blog. Now you're going to see an error pop up here. That error is because it cannot pick up what my likes are. That is actually a setting. Hopefully there's nothing inappropriate here. That is under your account settings. Pick the blog you're trying to export the likes from, and you'll see here, share posts you like. Click that on. Once it's on, you can go ahead and try again. If it's already on your blog, and you know it is, I think it's on by default. Go ahead, come back here, just type it in again. Backup.py dash dash likes, and then your blog name. And now you will see that it is, in my case, pulling 88,000. Now, if I come back here and I look up here, that is how many likes I have. So that is how you go about pulling the likes from your blog. I'm going to go ahead and close that because it pulls the entire post that you liked. It will get large. Now, all of these things that I'm showing you can be combined into like a bunch of different little things. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Don't need it. And I'm going to delete this because that's where it was saving the likes. Now, for the next one, which is the original blogs, like the original posts and stuff, you're going to go ahead, get it all set up like normal, change directory, and then backup.py. Now, what you're going to do next here is it is dash dash no dash. I believe it's Reblogs. I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick test. It might throw an error. Okay. It is no reblog. Now, you will notice that I was able to bring that back up without retyping the entire thing. If you ever make a mistake in a spelling or anything like that, just hit the up arrow key and it will bring up the last thing you typed. And then hit enter. And you'll notice that it's trying to pull all 75,000 posts that I have. What it's going through and doing, first off, I'm going to stop that from running. It is going through and it is pulling pretty much, or at least trying to pull, the original posts that I made. Now you'll notice these bottom two are ones that I personally made. There's no reblogs, that kind of thing. However, some of them will be reblogged posts. I am not sure why this is. I do not know what is causing it. However, it just happens. Now, the next one is going to be a bit more difficult. It is the video and audio things. And the reason it is more difficult is because you have to install a module. To do that, go to where you installed Python, which for me is my C drive, Python 2.7, and then find the scripts folder. Go ahead, copy the location of that, reopen command prompt, and then change directory to where that is, so CD. Now, once it says, like in my case, C Python 2.7 scripts, what you're going to do is type pip, P-I-P, install YouTube-DL, and then here, just hit enter. I already have it installed, but it will show this little bar, which I can probably get it to show again. No, I can't. But it will show a little bar, and then it will show this error about you need an updated version of pip or whatever. You actually don't. Once you are done with that, go ahead, get all set up as if you were normally going to be running this program. And then once you get Tumblr_backup.py typed in, go ahead, type in --save -video. I'm pretty sure that's it. And --save -audio. And then type in your blog. If you only want audio posts and not video, don't enter the save video part. If you want video and not the audio posts, type in video and leave out the audio. Now, make sure you do this or run it normally. You will see why here in a second. I hit enter, and you notice how it's pulling all of the normal stuff. And that is because you will see it is pulling all of the images along with the videos. Now, you will get this unable to download video in post. I do not know why it can't download some videos. I don't know why it can download some. I do not know what is causing this warning. All I know is that it will be pulling some videos. But you can see here it keeps failing multiple times. I'm going to end that because it will get exceptionally large. Now, the videos will not be exactly the highest quality. Let's see if I can find one. Here. So something like this. It's not the best quality. But you will already go ahead and see this is already, it was only running for like 2 seconds, and it is almost 400 megabytes. Now, theoretically, you can run as many of these little command things together as you want. For example, let me load it up. Lovely. What you will see me do here is I am going to tell it, theoretically, if it works properly, to download the likes, but in those likes, I want it to have the video. So, theoretically, now any post I liked that had a video in it, the video should be downloaded as well. But once again, because I turned off the likes thing, it will not work. But you see that it gave this error instead of saying that neither of those commands exists, means that it would have worked. Anyways, thank you for stopping by, everybody. Hopefully this satisfied some of your questions. Hopefully I'm able to help everybody out as much as I can. All these people that are having issues, I work 2 jobs, so I'm trying to get back to everybody as fast as I can. However, it is difficult for me to do, so I do apologize in any delay in communication. Thank you. Bye.